Country, nationality, residency. What is the difference between them? Your country is the place of your birth or where you were born and grew up in. It can also be the country where you moved to or settled in. To answer the question, where are you from? You must say, I am from plus the country. So for example, I am from the UK. Another example, I am from India. I am from Egypt. I am from Brazil. How many continents is that? Have I covered all the continents? Don't make the same mistake many other new learners tend to make. Not I from Japan. I am from Japan. I am from US would be wrong. I am from the US. You may also hear some people say, I am Morocco. I am from Morocco. What is your nationality? Your nationality is your right to belong to a particular country. It is usually stated on your passport or on your travel documents. It is not the same as country, okay? It's different. For example, I am from the UK. I am British. My nationality is British. Here are some more examples. The USA, American. Syria, Syrian. Nigeria, Nigerian. Romania, Romanian. Pakistan, Pakistani. Portugal, Portuguese. Brazil, Brazilian. Morocco, Moroccan. Afghanistan, Afghan. I'm sorry if I missed your country, but you can tell me about that later. Like I said before, country and nationality are different. They are not always the same. For example, you can be from India, but have Australian nationality. You can be from Somalia, but have German nationality. So to answer the question, what is your nationality? You must say, I am plus your nationality. I am British. I am Moroccan. I am Dutch. Sometimes you can have dual nationality or be a dual citizen. That means you can have citizenship or nationality of two different countries. For example, you can be a Pakistani and British citizen. You can be an American and Canadian citizen at the same time. What is your residency status? Meaning, where is your place of residence? Where do you live right now? This could be the same place where you were born, where you grew up, or it could be different. For example, you could be from South Africa, have British nationality, and be living in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. Your place of birth, country where you grew up, your nationality, and your place of residency can be completely different. So what is your place of residency? Or in other words, where do you live? In order to answer that, you say, I live in plus your place of residency. So for example, I live in London. I live in Dubai. I live in Toronto. I live in Paris. I live in Istanbul. I live in the Maldives. I wish I lived in the Maldives. No, not really. I love living in London. When some people ask me, where are you from? And I tell them I am from the UK. They look at me like this. Then they say, but where are you really from? When I try and convince them unsuccessfully, they say, oh, no, you are not from there. Where are your parents from? Unfortunately for them, I will always say I am from the UK, I am British, I'm from London, because that's the truth. It doesn't matter where my parents are from. People should just accept this and they shouldn't question you looking for another answer, because in their minds, you don't have the right skin color to be from that country. Sadly, a lot of people experience this and they find themselves in these conversations they don't want to be in, because people should just accept that and they shouldn't think about color and all these things. You should be able to say where you're from. If you were born in a particular country, if you grew up there, or if you moved there and it is your home now, you should be able to tell people, I am from this country. And other people should respect that. They should accept it. Anyway, we could go into this topic really deep, but I don't want to do that today. So, for our lesson today, I want to know, where are you from? What is your nationality? Where do you live and where do you work? Leave your answers in the comments section below. And always don't forget to subscribe. Sorry about being weird. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and your families and your relatives, no matter what their country is, nationality is, residency is, I don't care. All are welcome to like, subscribe, watch my video. Peace and love to everyone. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.